So for exercise number 7, we are going to learn how to code HTML tables. So tables is actually used in order for us to arrange our data in a tabular format. Okay, so let's now start our coding. So let's try to first HTML head let's try to put our title as HTML tables. And her body. Again, let's try to use heading 1 as our title heading. So HTML tables title. For table, we will be using the table tag, table border 1, cell padding 2, cell spacing 2, and width is equals to, let's say for example, we want to specify 100%. Now in tables, let me try to make this a little bit smaller. Okay, so in tables, or much like in any other HTML formatting, we can use either percent or pixel. So if we're going to use pixel, this will be a fixed value, which is 100. Whereas if we're going to use percent, we will be or the HTML will actually be adjusting to the width or height of the screen or the monitor. So in this case, 100%, it will be adjusting to the width of the monitor, which is in my case, the width of my monitor is 1280. Okay, so I have to put here, let's try to continue. Let's try to put here t head tr th tr t head. Now t head signifies the column title or column heading of our table. Okay, then try to put also t body. Whereas when we're talking about the t body, this is the body part of our table. This is where all the contents of our table goes. So th plus th slash tr. Okay. So let's say for example, we are just going to create a simple calendar. So let's try to use try to start it with Sunday. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's try to rename. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and last we have Sunday. That's it. Okay. And this one, so I do td 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have to put just numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have to save and let's try to preview. Okay, let's try to click run, then Firefox again. Okay, so this is our HTML table already. So we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And we also have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, what if we want to add another row? So take note, by the way, that this is your column. You have column Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And this is your row. So you have, this is your row 1 and row 2. But again, let's say for example, you want to add another column. How are you going to do this? Going back to our code. Okay. So we have a total of 7 columns. But again, let's say for example, you want to add another column. Let's try to put it here first, th, for our column heading. Th, let's say schedule. Okay. Then we also need to specify it on our tbody. td. Say 7:30 to 8:30 /td. Then let's go back to our Firefox. Try to reload. Now, as you can see, a new column has been added. Okay, the first column has been added, which is the schedule. Now, what if we want to add another row? Going back to our Notepad++. Now, one of the most common mistakes that I would see new coders in HTML is that they would try to copy the whole body. Okay. We don't need to copy the whole body. All we have to do is copy tr and close tr or row. Copy and paste. So let's say for example, we ended at 7. Let's try to start here with 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. We also have 9:30 up until 10:30. Okay, let's try to go back to our Firefox, then try to reload. Now, as you've noticed, a new table has been added to our, a new row, has been added to our table.